Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Squarespace, how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for party supplies, business easy and quick. So first type Squarespace on the search. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So first of all, you can get started from here. You can create your website, easy to edit website templates, no coding needed, and full commerce and marketing features to run your business online. Free trial, no credit card required. So you can see templates. Let's see templates from here. So you can change the type of your business. You can choose the type, online store or portfolio or memberships or blog or scheduling, one page or courses or services, whatever you want. You can choose the topic from here, or if the topic is not here, you can build your own templates. So for example, let's get started from here and let's go. So here you can add you can type your business name, for it might be related to the business, to the party supplies business. Here you can build your home page. So you can choose the intro section. You can here choose the product section and the services section from here, and you can change the about section. You can choose the social section here, and here choose the form section. The last is the footer section. So let's continue. Here you can add page to your site, and here you can choose the color theme. So let's go now. You can choose here the fonts. So let's finish this. Now wait a few seconds or a few minutes. So here you can personalize your home page, text faster than ever. You can choose if you want to continue and describe more your website and choose the writing style, or if you want to skip, I'm gonna skip this. So this is uh, this is your home page right now, your homepage website. So you can here change the desktop view. You can make it like a mobile view like this, or you can just keep it like this. I'm gonna keep this desktop view. So let's move on now to the site styles. So here you can first, here we have the fonts. Let's start with the fonts. You can switch the fonts back. You can edit the base size. Also here you can change the headings and the paragraphs. You can change the buttons, and you can reset the fonts back. So that's it. Now let's move on to the colors. So here you can customize your themes. I'm gonna go with this theme. So here you can edit the color theme of the header, the site title. Just click on it like this, and you can custom the color. Also the navigation links, just like this. You can custom the color, or if you wanna change from here the color. Here you can edit the site wide color theme. You can just click on it like this. You can change the theme of the section background, or the background overlay, or the inset border. You can edit the heading, the color of the heading, and the paragraph, and the text highlights, or the background color. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on now to the animations. So here you can set the style animations. You can set none or fade or scale, whatever you want. You can edit slide or clip or flex. Here you can edit the speed. You can make it slow or medium or fast. So that's it. Now let's move on to the buttons. So here you can edit the primary buttons and the secondary buttons, and the tertiary buttons. You can also edit the text and the shape and the outline. Here you can apply to all button types, and also you can reset the button styles. So that's it. Now let's move on to the image blocks. Here you can search something on the image block search. You can change the text alignment, the content width, and the title separation, uh, the button separation. You can also change the content position, text alignment. So that's it. So here you can edit your website from here. First, here we have the site header. You can change the site title and the logo. You can edit it. Here you can change the site title if you don't like it. You can add your logo from your library. Just click here. You can upload a file, or you can select from your library. So that's it. You can also add the mobile logo image. Now let's move on to the elements. So here you can turn this on, and you can change the text on the label. You can edit the social links. Here you can edit the social links. You can change the social icon size, and you can turn this on to language switch. You can turn the cart on. You can change the style icon. So here you can choose your own cards. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next, to the styles. So here you can change the dynamic. You can make it theme or gradient or solid. And the last thing here is the fixed position. You can turn this on. So that's it. If you want to add something new, just click here, add section, and you can select what kind of section you want to add on your home page. Also, you can edit the text. You can drag it and put it at any place you want. So you can duplicate it from here. You can delete it. You can edit this section from here. The text, you can edit the text form. So that's it. Here you can edit the button, the type of the button. You can duplicate it from here. You can delete it, and you can edit the text on the label. So that's it. If you want to add something on your section, click here, and you can add a text or image or video or button or audio or map, whatever you want to add. So that's it. You can duplicate the section from here. You can, if you want to save the section, just click on this here's icon. You can move it down or move it up. You can remove it from here. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. So first, let's delete this. Let's remove this image. You can add image from here. So let's put it here first, and click on it. You can select it from your library or from free image. So for example, here you can search party supplies like this. For example, I'm gonna choose this. You can choose whatever you want. This is just for example, so you can drag it and make it larger. You can add another image here. Click here and click image. Also, you can select it from your library and from free image. So for example, you can choose one of these here. So I'm gonna choose this. You can choose wherever you want. So here you can edit it from here. You can duplicate the image, and you can edit the text and the button. Here you can edit the accordion. Just click on it like this. You can add item. You can edit the design here. You can change the title and the description. So here you can edit the icon size, the icon thickness, the icon placement, the row pattern. So that's it. Also here you can change this text. You can change the social links. Just click on it. You can click here, and you can change the link here. So that's it. After you're done from designing your website and add your image and add your first product, after you customize your price and get the way to choose the way to get paid, now you can just save this and start selling, start your business. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your website on Squarespace for party supplies business, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.